After we have passed through that rigorous procedure, what's the end result? Because you see organizations like the Vigilante Group. I'm not trying to bring that group, but basically you see them carrying weapons, and then you look at us, those of us that have been vetted, those of us that have been given security clearance, and our guards are not allowed to carry weapons. And that's why we'll be going before the National Assembly very soon with the support of our regulators, the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, and the Ministry of Internal Affairs. One of the Interior. One of the things we are going to be asking for when we go to the National Assembly is that our people, our guards, should be allowed to carry weapons. And I'm sure if that happens, security will start. Security will change, because our guards are actually everywhere. If you go to all these 774 local governments, we are virtually everywhere. And then we also need to be incorporated into the national security architecture, because one of the problems we have is intelligence gathering. So a process has to be developed where we can work with the relevant agencies so that timely information can get to the security agencies who will use that information so that things can start changing.
And today we are meeting with all state chairmen to put together an AGM and a retreat where we plan to involve the governor of the Cross River State and the IG of the police, the army hierarchy, all stakeholders in security, both the DSS and all of them, would be invited for the retreat. And we plan to look at new dynamics in private security practice. That means we are going to look at all the attendant risk involved, even up to cyber security, which is also key and a major risk parameter right now. So we have the president of the ALPSPN available to take all necessary questions, and in my capacity as the National Public Relations Officer, I'm also here to give a backup to whatever questions that the press will seem necessary. But we are happy for your presence, and we know that we continue to partner with you strongly, and we want this particular information to go far and wide, because we expect Nigerians to partner with the private security industry to look at the possible challenges also of running this business, and to also help in meeting with the government to regularize all the policies that manage the private security industry in Nigeria.